Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernardo from the BJ Tech News, and this is episode 150. So today's episode, guys, I'm going to show you how to reset your lost or forgotten password from Windows 8. The reason why I'm doing this episode is because one of my clients purchased a device for one of their kids, and he placed the password onto the laptop, and once he gave the gift to the person, it wasn't a thing that he purchased the gift today and then gave it to the the person the other day. He bought it about a month ago and then he completely forgot the password, so he gave me a call to come down, check it out, and I had to reset it for him. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So I have this virtual machine. I do know the password for this, and I'm gonna show you guys what the password is, right? So this password is the password for this to get into this. Okay, now at the bottom of this video I'm gonna put a public link so you guys could download this ISO. Now this ISO is an NT password reset. You need to have either Power ISO or Image Burn applications installed on your machine to burn this ISO into a CD if you need to reset a laptop or a desktop or whatever password. Okay, so I'm going to shut down this machine because this machine needs to be shut down, and again, I'm doing this as a virtual machine, so I need to mount my ISO into this virtual machine and boot from it. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to reset your password. Okay, so I'm going to go edit a virtual machine. Okay, and make sure that this is selected. That's good. Now, for laptop users, workstation, or desktop people, you're not going to do this. What you're going to do is you're going to take the CD, place the CD inside the tray, and start your machine and boot from the CD. Once you boot from the CD, you're going to get the same thing that I'm going to get. Okay, so I want to boot from the CD. You're going to get this. You want to hit enter. Okay. Now you got to make sure that you're mounting the correct partition. If you see right here, candidate Windows partition found, I found 2 of them, but make sure you pick the right one. Number 1 is normally the default, but for me, number 1 is not it because it's kind of small. So number 2 is the one that I need. Now, Windows System 32 config is what you need to find, so hit enter on this. On the options, you want to pick 1 because that's what you want to do. You want to do the password reset. Number 1 again, you want to edit users data and password. And as in the list, I have 4 accounts. The account that you want to do is whatever account, the name, whatever the name of the account that you want to reset. For me is BJ Tech News. Hit enter. And what I want to do, you want to clear it. Okay, clear it. Hit 1. And password is cleared. You want to do it in an exclamation point. And you want to do a Q to quit. And about to write the files back, do it. Yes. Hit Y for yes. And it's completed. Now what you want to do from here is you want to do a Control-Alt-Delete on your machine to restart your computer. Now make sure you take the CD out of their laptop and workstation or desktop before you do a Control-Alt-Delete. Once you do the Control-Alt-Delete, it's going to reboot the machine into your Windows 8. Now, if you've done everything correctly, which I hope you did, and I know you guys did, your machine's automatically going to log in itself. Why? Because it doesn't have a password. We basically told Windows 8 to wipe clean the password. But that's a security thing. You don't want to have a laptop that automatically logs in itself. So I'm going to show you guys where to go to put a password on it. So as you can see, it's already welcoming me, which shouldn't happen, right? It should stop right here asking for a password, but because we reset the password using the NT password reset boot utility, it's logging me in automatically, which is awesome, right? That's a good thing. That means we reset the password, we cleared it out. But now it's time for us to reset this bad boy or give it a new password. So we need to go to our charm, go to settings, and once setting appears, hopefully it appears, we want to go into the change PC settings. And within the change PC settings, there is a user section within the left side and you want to click on users. There it goes. Create a password. Give it a new password. I don't know what password I'm going to give it, so I'm just going to give it BJ Tech News for the password. YouTube name. So as you can see, that's the new password. That's the new password. Hit next. Hit next. Just changing the password, and that's it. That's about it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of how to reset your lost or your forgotten password within Windows 8, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.